My name is Jim Haliburton, also known as the HMO Daddy, and it's a great pleasure to tell you I've branched out doing what I love doing, which is finding property. There's so much opportunity in this area, I can't do it all myself. So what I've decided to do is offer the deals that I don't take or I haven't got the money to take to other people. So if you're interested in finding a property, not only can we find the property, we'll show you how to make it work. If you want, we can even arrange the builders to convert it for you. And if you want, we can manage it for you as well. So we can provide you with a complete package. So if you're looking to get into the HMO business, you want someone to find the property who's done it. I've got over 180 HMOs. I've got 1,026 tenants, that's the last count. We know how to do it. We can do it for you as well. So give us a call. Thank you.